So here's I have a video. Let's tap on this video info button. And as you can see, this is a 1080p video. Now I'll show you how to convert this 1080p video into a 4K video. To do that, you have to install the CapCut app in your iPhone. This is a free app. You can easily get this app in your app store. Once you successfully installed the CapCut app, now launch the CapCut app. And here just skip. Now tap on new project. Select videos. And now select the 1080p video. Tap on add. Once the video added, you can go ahead and edit the video from this CapCut app. And now to save or export this video in 4K, tap on this resolution. And here resolution, select 4K. You can also change frame rate and code rate, and you can enable smart HDR for the video. Now just tap on export. And now you have to watch an ad. Once exported, I'm going to my Photos app and opening the video, tapping on info, and as you can see, the video already converted into 4K video. Thanks for watching.